Hi everyone, this is Arius from Cyber Civics, and I just wanted to show you how to use Google Classroom with the fillable PDFs that we created for this year. There's a little tricky bit to it for students, so I wanted to make sure that you had guidance with helping them to fill out the forms and return them to you. So the first thing you could do is just head over to your Cyber Civics course, and you can find where you might need a fillable PDF to add to your assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm just going to click on that, and then what you'll do is you'll come up here and you'll download it. Sometimes if you're using if you're not using a Mac, you might see the download over here as well, just as a tip for those of you who are using PCs. So I'm going to save the PDF, and then you can hop over to Google Classroom, go to Classwork, create an assignment, and then you can call it something like detective work, add in your description. Here's the PDF for you to fill out. And of course, you've already done kind of an explanation of this with your classroom before this happens, but then we'll go ahead and add a file. Then you're going to get something that pops up like this. We can do recent. Sometimes this doesn't pop up, so you can also do upload. And then directly from wherever you saved it, you can go to your Finder and then drag and drop the PDF in case it doesn't pop up for you. So there it is. There is the assignment, and then I'll hit Assign up at the top there. Okay, so this is the part where it gets a little tricky for students. So they'll go ahead and click on their assignment. They'll see that there's a PDF. So they'll click on the PDF, and then it's hard to know how to download this. So what you're going to do is they're going to go to these three dots here, open in a new window, and then above you'll see that they have the capability now to download the PDF. So that open in a new window part is really important for them to know. And then they will be able to go through here, edit the information either in their small groups or individually, so they can edit all of that however they need to. And then after they're done editing, just say hi. After they're done editing, then we'll just have them save. And you may even want to have them rename this too. So you could do like their last name or something like that. So maybe file save as, and then sure, downloads is fine. Okay, and then you can have them do, like Collins detective work, and then save to their documents. You just need to save it, and then head back over to your Google Classroom, and then they can turn it in here to you. Okay, I hope that was helpful to you guys. Thank you. Good luck out there. I know it's a crazy year, but we're always here to help. Thanks.